After sports ended, I had to figure out who I was without the jersey. That's when I realized I needed a new framework if I was going to win off the field. For me, it came down to three things I call the D1 framework. And trust me, whether you're an athlete, a professional, or just trying to level up in life, this works. So, first we have discipline. In sports, discipline is a non negotiable. Early lift, late practices, sticking to the playbook. Off the field, discipline looks a little bit different, whether that may be managing your schedule, your energy, or even how you're spending. When I worked as a financial advisor, I seen this firsthand. The people who succeeded, they weren't the most talented, they were the most disciplined. And two, we have resilience. Every athlete knows setbacks, injuries, getting benched, not starting. Life after sports, it's pretty much the same thing. Rejection, job losses, failed ideas. Resilience is about getting up and lining back up again, no matter how many times you've been knocked down. And three, we have transition. The last part of the framework is transition. Learning how to take what you built in sports and apply it somewhere new. For me, that means building a career in sales, finance, and now coaching. For you, it might mean a new business, a new role, or maybe even a new purpose. But you can't skip the step of translating your skills. If you're ready to win in your next chapter and build your own D1 framework and brick by brick, resilience, discipline, and transition, you'll create a life that feels like victory all over again. Let's build together.